In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini for viral photo editing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a photo into Gemini and guide it with a clear prompt so your edits look polished, eye-catching, and ready to share. First, open your browser and head to gemini.google.com app. Give the page a moment to load. For best results, have a stable connection and a high-quality image ready on your device. Higher resolution photos tend to produce cleaner, more detailed edits, and you'll avoid artifacts that can show up in low-res files. On the Gemini home screen, click Ask Gemini. This opens the main chat area where you'll interact with the model. You'll see a text box at the bottom and options to attach content. Think of this space as your creative control room. You provide the photo and the direction, and Gemini provides the transformation. Next, click Add Files in the message bar. This is how you attach the image you want to edit. If you're experimenting, you can repeat the process later with different photos, but starting with one makes it easier to focus your instructions and compare outcomes. Now click Upload Files. Your device's file picker will open. Keep things simple by choosing standard formats like JPG or PNG. If your image is very large, that's fine, but remember that balanced file sizes can help the workflow feel snappy while still preserving detail. Choose your photo and click Open. A quick tip as you select, pick an image with a clear subject and decent lighting. Viral edits thrive on clarity, contrast, and a strong focal point. Avoid images you don't have rights to use and steer clear of anything sensitive or private. With your image attached, type your prompt in the chat box, then click Submit or press Enter. Be specific about the style and outcome you want. For example, you might say, give this portrait a trendy glow up with natural skin tones, crisp contrast, subtle color pop, and a soft background blur. Keep details sharp and avoid plastic skin. Or try, turn this product photo into a clean minimalist studio look with bright whites, soft shadows, and rich color without oversaturation. The more clearly you describe style, mood, adjustments, and boundaries, what to enhance, what to preserve, the more dialed in the result will be. Short, direct sentences work well, and adding a don't list can prevent over-editing, like don't over-soften skin or don't change the background color. After you submit, review Gemini's output and notes. If something's off, refine the same prompt with a correction, clarify the look, and submit again until it matches your vision. That's it. Upload, describe, and submit. You're ready to use Google Gemini for viral-worthy photo editing.